Hi, this is Dan Goerdt. I'm the president here at Flexagon, and today's question is, what can be automated with FlexDeploy? Wow, that is quite a question, and the answer is a lot. So basically, as an automation platform at the core, there are three broad categories of automation: build and packaging up of changes, deploying them, automating the deployment process, and then the release orchestration associated with that entire life cycle. But let's take a different angle here and talk about what it is specifically that can be automated. On one hand, there are infrastructure resources. So that could be traditional on-prem capabilities, application servers, databases, applications, and really spinning up and tearing down, provisioning and configuring resources that are on-prem. Well, very importantly, doing the same thing with cloud resources is at the front of mind for many customers and the partners working with them. And so how do you provision and manage the resources and automate those processes right from FlexDeploy? So whether you're doing, in most cases, a combination of cloud and on-prem, or some type of hybrid of both, we can automate those processes of provisioning and configuring all of those resources. The second broad category of what can you automate is the deployment of changes into the environments. So you package up changes as part of a build process, automate it, of course, deploy those or automatically deploy those into their respective runtimes or environments, whether that be the database, mid-tier, middleware, applications, all of that. So we automate that process. And then many of the other steps in between, so we can eliminate the manual activities, the heavy scripting that comes along with that in many cases, and automate that process from end to end, starting at planning and all the way through the build, deploy, and release orchestration process, and very importantly, the operational aspects, so you can monitor and operate your environments much more effectively. So I'll tell you what, it's close to an everything as an answer in terms of what you can automate. However, there's something I want to point out here, is that you can inject manual intervention, human intervention where needed. So this doesn't have to be the proverbial continuous deployment, although we're trying to achieve that in many cases. The reality is humans are an important part of the process, and we need to be able to inject and manage those human activities at times as well. I believe that was beneficial, and if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, and we'll take any other comments or suggestions as far as other topics to cover in other videos. Thanks.